Hey guys, Steve from Resell Dojo back, and today I have a new video for you. I want to talk about adjusting your schedule, finding new schedules, settling into a schedule, all that type of stuff, just because it's impacted me at this moment, and I'm sure you guys are going through it or have gone through it in the past, and I'd love to get your guys' advice on there as well, or maybe I'll help you guys out a little bit too. Now let me just give you a little background of how my schedule has been recently. Now, prior to COVID, I was able to pretty much do everything during the day, ship out product, go sourcing, everything. And then at night, I'd probably list most of my products would be at night once my family got home. Now, once COVID hit, my son had to stay home from school. I became the superintendent of the house. And so I had to change my whole schedule, right? So he had school. I primarily tried to make so all of his schooling was being done in the morning. He could use my work laptop and do his work at home, and I could help watch over him, teach him things if he can't reach a teacher, all that type of stuff. So that was my schedule through the end of his school year, which was into mid-May. Then in the summer he stayed home, so I was pretty much stuck at home the whole time doing just watching after him, keep him busy, and doing my resale business at that time. So I do my shipping and listing during that time, prepping, cleaning, all that type of fun stuff. And then the evenings when my wife would get home after we'd have dinner, I'd go out, hit the thrift store for probably about 2 hours and try to find new product. So I got into a real good groove during the summer with all of that, and I was really built my business up, finding my niche, knowing what to look for, getting into my routes, all that type of stuff. I was doing it, I knew by this time I had to leave on this day, which days I was going to go out, all that stuff. Really got myself feeling really good about my business. And now my son actually just went back to school. He had been in online classes for about a month, and now here in the state of Arizona, he is able to go back to school, and we opted to let him go back and be with his friends and be with his teachers, and everything's safe and distanced, and they clean everything every night, all that type of stuff. So that's neither here or there, but now my schedule has changed again. So now it's driving him to work or driving to school every morning and making sure he is being picked up on time. So I'm picking him up earlier than he used to in the afternoons. And so now I'm readjusting my schedule. So this is day 3 of my new schedule, and it's already tiring me out when it comes to it, because I'm not used to having an extra probably about an hour and a half commute time into my schedule. So really just the next week or so, I'm hoping I could really get into my new schedule. I'm looking to do every morning. For how I'm looking at my schedule, and let me guys know what you guys are doing for your guys' schedules as well if you guys are in a similar situation. I am going to drop him off, come back home, pack up items, probably list a few items in that morning. I may do some videos. I'll prep items as well. I want to get everything, take stickers off, get tags off, and get some pictures done. And then afternoons, I'm going to go out and hit the stores. Just because at least from here, it looks like our stores are stocking up mainly in early afternoon. And so I want to be able to get the fresh goods that come into those stores and be able to get ahead of maybe some of the evening crew, and maybe leave the scraps for the people in the morning when it comes to it. And then in the evening, I'll probably do heavy listing for stuff from the previous day. That's really kind of how I'm looking at everything for right now, and just manage my time and manage my schedule. One benefit of this new schedule is that I am able to go and hit stores that are farther away. So I've already yesterday hit stores that I haven't hit in probably a few months. And then on and probably tomorrow I'm going to be able to hit stores that are really far away that I've never even hit before. But now that I have my new niche that I'm going after, going strong at, I feel like I could go and churn out a different part of the region here, and maybe go there once a week and just hit like 10 or 12 stores and just really stock up an inventory before the weekend. So ultimately, it's going to be positive for him going back, right? School's awesome. I'm going to get back into my old schedule that I had. It's just, change is different, as always, right? It's change. And you need to be able to roll with it, but also be able to see how you can improve your business. Really, it helped me in the last few days just look at my business a little bit tighter. I've already started to be a little more proactive on different things that I'm doing. Like when he was home, I had more time in my day, so I knew I could like sit on my butt and not churn out some stuff as fast. And now I'm moving from project to project quicker, and I'm thinking out my mornings, my afternoons a lot more ahead of time than I would in the past. So ultimately, this is a win for myself. I'm gonna be able to analyze my business a little bit more. I'm gonna be able to hit more stores. I think I'm gonna be sharper now that I have the time. I don't have as much distraction since he's not home, even though I miss having my son at home. I feel like I'm gonna be able to be more productive in my day and just really honing on where I need to hone in, even though I have less hours. I think I'm gonna be able to be more productive with my day. Thank you guys once again for just jumping on here. I know this one's a little bit different than some of my other videos, but I just really want to talk through some changes. I know you guys all are going through the same things as myself, and I just really wanted to discuss it and just get some tips. So thank you everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.